coming out to warm up the van. We're gonna see just how cold it is this morning. Actually much warmer than I expected. Yeah, ooh. You would think where I'm having to defrost the whole thing, it was gonna be a lot colder, and it feels a lot colder, probably wind chill. But no, it's a balmy 30 degrees. Okay, so I'm out here. It is 7:10 and still 30 degrees. It's cold. Oh, it's cold. But we're gonna do this. The good thing about it being so cold and so early is you're less likely to deal with people, which is always a good thing. I'm on my own today. I'm not bringing the kids out into the cold. In fact, unless there's a couple of rare warm Sunday mornings, I probably won't be bringing them until spring. Just, it's too cold. We're getting there, guys. Even the de-icer fluid like freezes when it comes up. If you are not from an area that gets cold, this will all seem foreign to you. And the fact that I had to pull the wiper blades from the front and back windows, they were frozen to the windshield and to the back window. Oh my goodness. We will get going soon, but geez. Ooh, let's see what the dollar store has this morning. Some mandarin oranges. Ooh, they're leaky. Darn it. Got some pretties in here. Kind of a mess. I see some open kind of cheap toys down there. Ooh, look at these. These are gorgeous. I wonder where they threw these out. Look at that. Oh, those are beautiful. And it's a whole box. Holy cow, look at that, you guys. Look at that. A whole freaking box. They're not broken. I mean, some of this stuff over here, yeah, that's broken. So that makes sense, but these aren't. Well, neighbor gifts. Let's see if there's anything else before we move on. There's some plant foam right there. We'll grab that. Looks like there's some kind of cards. We'll grab those. Yeah, these are definitely broken. Those are broken. Let's see if we can grab those things though. Oh, in the craft store bin, there is assorted stuff. I'm gonna have to get the rake and the step stool and just kind of move things around, see what's what. Things did get wet, but it is all in plastic, so hopefully we'll be able to salvage something out of here. Craft store, mostly a dud, a little bit of scrap metal and this scarfy thing, but you know, I'm okay with that because we do have all of this donation stuff taking up the whole back of the van, so we don't have room for a big load of stuff. And where we're coming up on Thanksgiving, I honestly don't want to be dealing with a huge load of salvage today. We have a lot of other things to do, so this is okay, but we are going to keep going. This is another dollar store bin. We'll go ahead and take a look. A few things going on in here. Cute little bird. That could go on like a wreath. Open bag of candy. Some broken stuff. We'll take the bird. See anything else? Nasty stuff. Nasty stuff. Oh, there's a toad in there, but there's also a lot of nasty stuff. Some broken frames. Well, the frames aren't broken. The glass is broken, so we'll keep the frames. Those are always cool. I think we'll keep on moving. It got cold. It got really cold. We're at another Joann's, and it looks like they cleaned the parking lot again, darn it. So we're not going to get anything out of there, which is unfortunate because it looks like there might be something in that bag over there. I don't know, maybe I'll get the rake and try to get it. And then this bin is actually like the other stores. And it looks like it's all just nastiness. Gotta tell you, I'm kind of lonely not having any of the kids with me. It's kind of a bummer. But it is super duper cold and they would be miserable. So this is definitely the way it needs to be. I think I'm gonna try to get that bag back there and at least check. So I got a little bit of faux fur, some fabric. I'm sure there are lots of goodies in there under all those mountains of leaves, but it is too cold. Oh, it is too cold to try getting in there and doing anything. There's another dollar store. Don't really see anything. Just regular garbage. Slow pickings this morning, which is frustrating, especially with how cold it is. Woohoo! But you know we're not going to give up easily. This is an Office Depot bin. Guys, there's just nothing for us today. Nothing that I'm going to realistically be able to salvage. There's all that soda down there, but if you've ever had it, it is disgusting. And definitely not worth the effort of getting down in there to get it. No offense if you're someone that loves that stuff, but ugh. This is a Zurcher's bin. There's a bunch of bags. I wonder what's... I'm not used to seeing these black bags in here. It's a little different. Looks like a bunch of regular stuff that we see at Zurcher's, where, you know, the balloon supplies. I have to get the rake though. I wonder if this is like leaves. Sadly, yes, it was just yard waste in the black bags and just your regular balloon stuff in the other bags. So when I said I didn't want to, you know, end up with a whole lot of salvage today, I didn't mean I didn't want any. This is another Joann's. Wish me luck. At this point, I need it. It's like packing material, mostly, as we've seen elsewhere. Oh, looks like there might be some ribbon, a little bit of fabric. I'll look a little bit. Zurcher's, are you gonna save the day? Oh, doesn't look like it. Looks like they got a lot of new merchandise in. I'll look a little bit through it. They were quite messy about it, huh? Bunch of Jelly Belly bags. This is the cardboard dumpster, but every now and then they'll dump other stuff in here for some reason. Starting to think my luck has run out, guys. That's literally like dog shit right there. Oh, this is just not my day today. Not my day at all. There's a whole bunch of like ink boxes, toner boxes, but it's an Office Depot, so they've destroyed them, of course. This is the Michaels where I found the big huge frame that is now on my wall. Look at these awesome frames. I'm not going to worry about all the frame parts, but I am gonna grab the 2 complete frames, and hallelujah, we finally found something, guys. So what would you do, Frugal friends? It says no scavenging, you'll be prosecuted, blah blah blah, and then they have this whole shelf of goodies just sitting out here, like football stuff, some electronics, some boxes of stuff, some buckets of stuff. I mean, all kinds of stuff. You know I have to at least look. I'll be quick, and I probably can't take you guys with me because I gotta be stealthy and fast, but I have to look. So, the the regular dumpster that was over there was full of books and magazines. It would have taken some effort to get any of them out, and I didn't want to risk getting caught. But there was this whole box of tapes, and I absolutely grabbed it. These sell really well. We've got, what, Billy Joel, B.B. King, more Billy Joel. Looks like we got some recorded ones. What is this? George Michael. Oh my goodness. I have no idea what that is. Shania Twain. The Cars. What is this? Sheena Easton. Loverboy. Dean Martin. Restless Heart. REM. Oh, good stuff. I don't have a way to play tapes. Like, this tape deck, I'm pretty sure doesn't work. I mean, I could try. But, yeah. Bing Crosby. Okay, we're going to try that one. Let's see. Finally, guys, some stuff. Wouldn't you know, it would be at the donation center. The Judds Christmas time. How timely and appropriate. It would be at the donation center that I would finally find some stuff. Crystal Gale. No idea. Donna Summer. Susie Bogus. Manassas. I don't know. But anyway, there were some CDs. Look at that. That's old school. That's an old AOL. Some games, like computer games. Some brand new Maxwell tapes. These will sell. So, my spirits are definitely lifted, guys. And all of this was out there where I'm quite certain they were going to be throwing it away. The Police. Yeah, I'll put together a mixed lot. Couple of mixed lots. Perry Como of these tapes. David Bowie, rest in peace. Michael Jackson. Oh, things have finally looked up, guys. Finally. Our persistence has paid off. Yeah, those will absolutely sell. I've sold other mixed lots of tapes. But I think, yeah, we're going to try this. I think my CD player has definitely died. But we'll try the tape player. I don't think I've actually ever tried it, so might as well. So, major bummer. The tape player just, like, doesn't want to work. But this van is 14 years old, so I guess I can't, like, complain too much. It still runs. It gets us where we want to go, and it's paid off. But this is frustrating. I'll have to see if we have any kind of tape player at home. I don't think we do. I know we used to have a little tiny boombox that Reagan had in his room. I don't know. Do you guys still use tapes? Tell us in the comments. Hallelujah that we finally found some goodies to make this whole thing worthwhile. So, times like this, when I want to check out an area where there's like an ordinance against diving, or a place where I'm just not feeling terribly comfortable about being obvious, bust out the water bottle, keys, the gloves, get out and start walking. Walk up to the bins that you want to check out, and if you find anything, well, then you come back. But you just look like you're out for a walk. You gotta look on the bright side. Not finding mountains of perfectly good, usable stuff in the bins is actually a good thing. Not so much for our channel or our, resale business, but it is a good thing. Sadly, I'm realistic and sadly, I'm a realist, and I know there will be more. As long as we live in a consumer society, there will be plenty more junk. But I will have plenty of stuff to show you for our Wednesday reveal. Thanks to all of you fabulous frugal friends who have been sending us stuff. We have a mountain of fabulous treasures. Definitely 2 videos worth. We will start them tomorrow, and then also we'll put the rest of it up on Wednesday. Thank you. You guys are so awesome. If you are interested in sending something to us to share with the Frugal Family of Friends that we will proudly display in our home and on our channel, our P.O. Box address is in the video description below. We collect postcards. We are still in the midst of our 3,000 postcard drive and would love to get a postcard from you wherever you live or from one of your favorite places. I have just come up with the way I'm going to display them, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be awesome. We also collect spoons, like little collectible spoons, keychains, and magnets. Thanks for coming along, guys. I don't think our luck has run out. I know there will be more, but some days it's just like this. And actually that's great because we have a lot coming up this week, and hopefully we are going out of town. Hopefully, not 100% for sure yet. We've had some drama come up in our lives, as happens, but hopefully that's what we're gonna do. So really, it's a good thing we didn't find mountains of stuff. Have a great day, Frugal friends.